Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll explain how to call Roblox and what you can do if you need help from Roblox support. Now let's get started. Open a web browser on your phone or computer. Roblox handles all support requests through their official website, so this is the safest and only recommended method. Now go to the Roblox support page and look for the Contact Us option. This page is designed to help users with account issues, billing problems, and general questions. After that, select the category that matches your problem. Choosing the correct issue helps Roblox route your request to the right support team. Then, fill in your account details such as username and email address. Make sure the email is correct because Roblox will reply there. Next, clearly explain your problem in the description box. The more details you provide, the easier it is for Roblox to help you. Once everything is filled out, submit the form. Roblox support will review your request and usually respond by email within a few days. While you can call Roblox directly, dial 888-858-2569 to call Roblox customer service. The Roblox customer support line is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Roblox guides.